Hello and welcome to another video. In this video I will show you the modifications I made to some recently purchased Gebirgsjäger type goggles. These are the goggles to be modified or improved. The idea was to transform the purchased goggles to be more realistic and in line with photos on the internet. Let's get to the process. They were like that and they will change. I started by cutting the elastic strap with a wire cutter. Then I used scissors to remove plastic excess. To make the black band that appears on the goggles in the photos, I used fake leather cut to size to be glued with super glue. Here is the process. Now it's time to glue the elastic. The original one was unusable. In my spare box, I have a lot of elastic that I took from various figure accessories. Let's go to the process of super gluing the elastic to the goggles. As you can see, super glue also glues fingers. Test on the figure. Looks good. But it's not over yet. Now it's the painting process. I start by cleaning the area where the paint will be applied with alcohol using a brush. After a while, with the same brush I paint the part that joins the lenses with black paint and let it dry for a long time. After drying, I apply a shadow effect with diluted black paint to balance the colors and to create a depth on the details. To finish the thing, I used an ultra matte varnish to balance the shine and seal the paint. And this is the final result. What do you think? Is it better, or do you think the original goggles were just fine? Please let me know in the comments. This is also the end of this video. Thank you for watching.